Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by opening the command palette so you can change settings quickly. Type color theme and choose preferences. Color theme, this brings up the interactive picker. You do this now because it shows installed themes instantly, letting you preview them. Once done, use arrow keys or click to cycle through options and see live previews. If you plan to add themes, keep the extensions view handy to install before finalizing. This saves back and forth. Next, install or select the theme you want and then tweak it. You search extensions, install the package, and return to the color theme picker to test it. Make sure to try 1 to 3 candidates. Multiple comparisons help you judge contrast and syntax clarity. To customize, open Settings, JSON and Add Editor, Token Color Customizations or Workbench. Color customizations so specific syntax or UI colors match your workflow. Once satisfied, save changes and let the editor render the final look. Finally, set the chosen theme as your default so it persists across sessions. Use the UI Set Color Theme or Add Workbench. Color Theme in Settings. JSON, this ensures consistency. If colors don't apply, reload the window or restart VS Code to clear caches and make sure no conflicting workspace settings override your choice. If problems persist, disable theme extensions one by one to isolate conflicts, then re-enable the desired package. That approach quickly identifies the culprit and gets you back to
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.